I wasn't gonna cook myself. I was just checking to see how warm it is. It's so cold out here today. So this is V. How are you guys doing today? And Pam's behind the camera.
Hello, everyone.
So we're still doing our 25 days of Christmas, and I'm bringing another dal to show you guys. Now I have some soaked here that, you know, it's been soaking for 2 hours. Now I just wanted to let you guys know that dal does not necessarily mean a liquid form of any kind of legumes. It just means legumes, and it's how you cook it per your preference. So that has nothing to do with the word dal. Now in here I have some pigeon peas, and this is mung dal, which is cut in half, and then the white one it's called Urad Dal, which is black, but this one the peel has been taken off and it's washed. So the reason I added that is because this is gonna add thickness to what I'm making.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Did you wash them and then the skins come off, or did you buy them already hulled?
Yeah, those are already hulled. I buy them hulled. So this is about 1/4 cup of each. And I soaked it for 2 hours, so it's, as you can see, puffed up, because I'm gonna feed my whole family with that, because what you guys are gonna see is gonna be dinner for us tonight. But anyways, so I soak these, and you can use whatever you want. This is called Tiin Dal. That means 3 dals made together. So that's the reason it's called that way. And I make this kind of different from what I usually make other dals. This is completely different. This is my original recipe, and it's amazing. Trust me, my mom's asked me, can you make that for me? Yes, Mom, I'll make it here on YouTube so you can have it. Anyways, guys, back to the recipe. So I have about 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, which I want to let toast up because I'm doing everything in the foodie today. So everything's going to cook up at once, and we're just going to do the finishing touches after that.
So kind of like one pot cooking.
Yeah. And that was 1 tablespoon of coriander. This is about 1 teaspoon of cumin. And then I have 1 tablespoon of curry powder as well.
And you could do this in a pan on the stove.
Yes, you can.
We just have the foodie on the sear saute mode so that it's getting hot in there. But you could do it on the stove top.
So I didn't put all my spices yet. I'm gonna put my salt and pepper in the end when I see the quantity in here.
Oh, I can smell that.
Yeah. So I'm getting all my spices toasted up, you know, because I want full flavor. I want them to do full action. After all, this recipe is so easy that since you know the dals have been soaked, you can cook them in a pot. You don't even need this. But with me, I kind of do it in a pressure cooker or an Instapot. It's so much easier. And if you have it, why not use it, right?
Absolutely.
So my spices, I can smell all of them. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and add all my dals in here. Did you guys hear that? That's the kind of sizzle you want to hear. Alright, so I'm gonna try and get everything out.
No man left behind.
No dal left behind.
No dal left behind. No bean left behind.
Yeah. So I'm gonna stir this around.
Wow, man, you can smell those seasonings.
Yeah. And here's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna start adding, since everything is stirred in, I'm gonna add my tomatoes and garlic and ginger to it. I have this is about 3 tomatoes, small tomatoes chopped up. I'm gonna put that right in there. And then what I'm gonna do is I chopped up some garlic and ginger. I always have this in the refrigerator. So this is ginger, and I'm gonna put about a heaping tablespoon in there.
You chopped all that up and just...
I did.
Jeez.
I usually have it chopped up because, you know, I cook with it.
So that was about 2 level tablespoons, or you put in like a heaping tablespoon and a half.
And then this is my ginger, and I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of it. And I'm gonna put that in there, and I'm gonna stir it around. And I usually have my garlic and ginger chopped in the fridge. See, I try to make everything
Meal
easy.
prep, yeah.
Yeah. And you know, it's so much easier when everything's ready.
And I have a friend that does that. Like if she's chopping up onion for one recipe, she will chop more and just put it in the refrigerator so she has it for other recipes. Like while you're doing it, go ahead and do extra.
And now I'm gonna add my turmeric in there. The reason I waited for the turmeric because I don't want the turmeric to cook and get...
No toasting turmeric.
No toasting the turmeric because it can get bitter. When you toast the turmeric, it tends to get bitter. And I'm about to add my water and stuff in here, so that's the reason I went ahead and added it. Now I'm gonna add water, and I'm gonna go cup by cup. So that's 1 cup.
And you just see what?
Yeah, I want the lentils to be covered in water.
Yeah.
So
I'm gonna get a shot.
That's 2. I'm probably gonna need a little more than I anticipated.
So that's like 3.
3 cups, and I think I'm gonna add another cup.
A whole cup?
Yeah.
That'd be a total of like 4 cups.
4 cups, yeah. Here we go, guys. So this is it. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some cayenne. And I just did like 1/4 teaspoon. Yeah. And I'm gonna add salt. And I'm gonna add about, probably go for one teaspoon because there's a lot in there. And I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper.
Like
Same,
a half?
like 1/4 teaspoon.
1/4 teaspoon,
not too much, yeah. And now what I'm gonna do is pressure cook this. And then I'll bring you, when you guys come back, I'll show you how to finish this off. You ready?
I'm ready, go.
All right, guys, time for the big reveal. So we pressure cooked the dal in here. So let's see.
Yep.
What am I doing?
Yep.
Ta-da! All right, so here's what we're gonna do. I think everything seems like
It looks delicious.
Yeah. So now,
and that wasn't too much liquid.
It wasn't.
You know, I mean, it always looks like it, but then your beans and stuff absorb so much liquid.
Yeah, exactly. And you don't want to eat them raw.
Yeah.
So here's what I'm going to do now. This is about 1 large onion. The reason I'm adding it raw is because I want the texture and I want that kind of raw onion flavor in there. And it doesn't taste as raw when it gets in there because of the steam. So it's not strong? It's not strong because of the steam and everything going on. It mellows down pretty quick. So I'm going to add this in here. And give it a swirl. And then what I'm going to do is I have a whole lemon here. And I'm going to squeeze the entire thing in here. Now the thing with dals is that they are dense. So you need to brighten up the flavor. I usually use dry mango powder. That's like my go-to, but I just use lemon in this.
So if you were going to use dry mango powder, how much do you think you would use?
I would put in about, I would say, a tablespoon.
A tablespoon?
Yeah. Okay. Cuz you want something to brighten it up. So I'm trying to squeeze as much as I can from this lemon. And if you don't have lemon or dry mango powder, you can add about a tablespoon of vinegar. That will do the trick for you. So here it is, all mixed up. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add in some cilantro. That's like the thing with Indian food, you gotta add cilantro. There's like no flavor. That's what we were told.
It's not complete.
It's not complete without cilantro. So I put some cilantro in there. And now what I'm gonna do, you can serve this with rice, you can serve it with naan, you can serve it with bread, you can serve it with whatever you want. But here I have some sweet potatoes that I did bake up earlier this week, and I was making my granola and stuff, so I just stuck it in the oven that way. And I'm gonna put the dal over this. Look at that, guys. It smells really good.
Such a bright color.
Yeah. And here's what I'm gonna do. Earlier, there's one of the videos where I made this tomato chutney. Now I had it in the fridge, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it on top.
And you can see it's thickened up as it settles and it's not hot anymore. It's kind of thickens up a little bit.
Yeah. So, and then Pam made this cashew sauce too. You guys will see a video of it. So I'm gonna use that too. Just top it up.
Drizzle a little bit over the top.
And there you have it. Look how colorful. Look how full of this is super healthy, guys. There's nothing in here that's bad for you. It's oil-free, it's good, it smells good.
And you could meal prep.
Yes, you could do all
at the beginning of the week and then have the dal different ways, have the cashew sauce with some pasta. You could have
this dal, you can soak it up and keep it in the fridge and make it when you want. You know, it can stay, it stays about for 2 days, it stays good soaked. So it's, you know, there's so many ways to get done with this, but this is something that you guys, even if you have leftovers, freeze it, use it again. It works all the time. And you can use a toast with it. You can use garlic. I've tried garlic naan with it. It goes amazing. So there's a bunch of stuff you can do with it. So try it out. Let me know how you liked it. Let me know what you had it with. Let me know how you topped it. You can even top this with some pickled onions. That would be good.
Oh, that would be good too.
Yeah.
And crunchy. Although you've got the onions in there already too.
Yeah. So tell me how you like it. Tell me what you did. And subscribe down below. Like us. Subscribe. Hit the bell. So you can know when we're up with new recipes. Tell us what else you'd like to hear from us. We're still on our 25 days of Christmas. And Pam's right here with me. She's holding the camera for me today. So let us know how you like this. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.
Bye,
Merry
guys.
Christmas.